Good morning, it is Tuesday, April the 20th, and today I will be finishing the peening on this steak knife for Trevor, and then getting his chosen handle material on. His brother's a bit of a Ravens fan, football, for those of you who don't know who the Ravens are, like me. And I'm going to redo the finish on this one. I acid etched like 4 knives on Saturday, and this one I wasn't pleased with, so I'm going to redo this one and then see if I can get handles on those, as well as get the vaudeville cleaver to the next stage. So that's my day. We're going to see what Cal's working on.
Hey, what's up, world? So I've got some knives I'm getting ready to glue up, and I'm going to do them all at once. I've got this refurb, my first peen job on a brass bolster, and this is going to be a D-shaped handle. I'm building it with liners, and the outside's going to be resin and wood. Really cool contrasting colors, and that's going to be my day.
Nice. Daniel.
What's up, y'all? Hope everybody's having a good holiday. Basically, I'll start out with some good sharpening, and then I am going to go ahead and go on to my cleaver that I'll be getting in stock. Handle came out really good. I've already got it hand sanded and polished. I will be putting an edge on it later today, and just taking care of a couple things, getting ready for the week.
Excellent. And Nico has some new stuff in here he hasn't even looked at yet. We have a new gold class Benchmade. How do you pronounce it?
Tengu flipper.
The Tengu flipper.
Yeah, so it comes with a shark skin leather slip.
Ooh, I like what they did on there. I didn't see that yesterday. See a little proudly made in the U.S. Nice, and I like the contrasting colors.
Yeah.
It matches the black and blue.
I forget what this is made of, actually. Is it G10?
I don't know. We'll look that up. We'll do a product video on it. Don't worry.
Yeah.
And that Damas steel blade with the designer.
I think it's got a Raffier.
The Raffier, the hand laid stuff, spacer. Pretty sweet. In other news, I haven't even told Nico this. Some of the cold steel machetes are coming in today. Not the entire order, but about 2/3 of it. So we'll be getting some machetes in stock for bushcraft, taking care of business in the yard or land, whatever you need. So we'll have some very sword-shaped machetes coming in. Super stoked by those. Yeah. Okay. Well, that's it from us today. Have a great day. Enjoy it. Good morning, it is Wednesday, April 21st, and today I will be working on handles. So I got 4 handles glued up, so this is a custom, and then a couple cool little Santokus and a bigger Santoku. So I'm gonna get these down to shape, and then work on vaudeville. I'm also gonna put together the folding knives I dyed yesterday. I'll start the day off with that, putting those back together and getting those in stock. And Christopher also got knives glued up.
Good morning, y'all. Got my vintage series glued up, and these are ready for the handles to be ground on and hand sanded, and they're almost done. I can't wait for them to be done today. So.
Nice. Okay, and Daniel finished some things yesterday.
What's up, guys? I'm going to be finishing up this. Oh, actually, I've finished up sharpening this cleaver. It's going to be in stock later today if Nico doesn't get too bombarded like we did yesterday. And then I've got this slicer refurb I am going to be getting taken care of, and that should be done by the end of the day as well. That's pretty much what I got on my plate, as well as keeping care of whatever customers come in.
Nico will show you cold steel tomorrow. It's already been started off busy, so we're gonna get back to it, and we'll show you cold steel machetes tomorrow. They're cool. We like them. See you then. Good morning. It is Thursday, April 22nd, and today I will be making a sheath for this little neck knife. I got the handle finished and wrapped yesterday, so I'll make the sheath, and that will be going into stock. This is Trevor's steak knife, so I got it to hand sanding. I'll get it hand sanded today, and hopefully finished as well, as along with those 3 guys. So I've been calling this a Santoku. It's a Nakiri. Oops, sorry. So the 2 little mini Santokus, or miniature, we already have a mini, and the Santoku, I will get those hand sanded and put edges on them today. In other news, Daniel has a refurb he finished. Beautiful black oak. Hey, you want to do it? You're standing right there.
But you just like kept going.
Take
and I
it.
didn't know who was going first. He was just like, all right, another news. Hey, Daniel's got this. Anyways, guys, sorry. I got my slicer finished up yesterday. The black oak on the handle looks really well polished and cleaned up. Took me a little bit. I had a little blowout that I had to take care of. And then I also started, excuse me, Cal. I also started my customs for May. So a couple of people, if you're watching, these are yours. And I should have some other refurbs going along the month. Other than that, that's what I've got going on on the cow.
Hey, what's up, y'all? So I did another plum axe grind, getting this one ready for competition. These are fun to grind, and we grind them right at the plumb line, so we keep the stamp on there. These are nice old axe heads. And I got my vintage series, the handles ready for hand sand. I actually got the gaucho already hand sanded. This thing feels amazing.
Oh, looks nice. I like that one.
And then the slicer. So I'll be finishing up another axe today and these knives.
Right on, guys. I think I'm gonna take you to Nico. Let's go. Are we going to Nico?
Yeah.
All right, I'm coming.
Nico.
Here we go. What do we got today, Nico?
Yo, we got some custom dyed knives that Russell did yesterday. 2 mini freaks, both limited edition. We got a mini grip. This used to be yellow.
Yeah.
If you can't tell. Now
I left a little bit of the original, but I kind of wanted that bleeding
Yeah.
into, you know. I really like this one. I think this is my favorite of the of this one.
Yeah, that's awesome.
And then you see, you can see this one's a little bit blue, and this one's more darkish purple, blackish. You can tell a difference between them.
Yeah.
That's cool. So that used to look like this, right? Boom, boom. Awesome.
Yeah, and you can catch the purple on the grooves and whatnot.
And then, did we talk about this stuff over here yesterday?
I think so.
Did we?
I'm not sure.
Well, if not, we'll talk about it again. Don't worry.
We got some cold steel machetes. A lot of them.
A lot of them.
More to come.
And yeah, more. So they're all machetes, but they look like swords, which is kind of cool. Okay, that's it from us. Have a great day. Good morning. It is Friday, April 23rd, and today I will be finishing the Nakiri. So we had Gabriel hand sanding this one yesterday for his shop time, and oh yeah, there you go. You can see them. There are still scratches in this resin. Not optimal. He still saved a lot of time, and he learned a lot because we talked a lot about, hey, can you see scratches? What does that look like? So we're getting him to the ability of being able to see and like what they call micro observation in a knife. So he didn't win yesterday, but he stood up for himself, and we had a great learning lesson with that. Super proud of him, and today I will finish it and get that one in stock. Nico has a couple other knives I finished yesterday and got in stock, so when I go into the showroom, we'll see those. But until then, here's Cal
Good morning.
and what he finished.
My vintage series is ready to go, and with the Sinker Cypress handles, buff forge finish, they're all razor sharp. I really wish I could test this one out. It's the most, the one I wanted to test out the most.
This is the most satisfying feeling.
Yeah, it would be. So yeah, I'm excited about getting those ready to go, and I'll be grinding another axe today.
Yeah.
I've been digging. This thing is super heavy, so a lot of potential there. And doing some rehandles. Yeah, I got a full schedule today.
And there will be more video on this one coming, so look forward to that. Okay, we're gonna step in here with Nico and see what he has to show us.
We got some Santokus. Some wicked micro dot Santokus with Ambonian. This is box elder.
Oh, they look good.
They look so good, and they're so light.
And then this one will not be for sale. This is a custom for Father's Day, and that will be going to its owner this weekend. Cool. Anything else? What else? Anything? No new shipments. We're getting more Zwilling on Saturday. Oh,
What's up, guys?
who's this guy?
Yeah, so your boys sustained an eye injury Wednesday, so hence the patch. But I've got a refurb that I will be working on in very low light to help aid in the recovery of this. I will be taking, as you can see here, we've put some black leather on this. It was faux leather before. I've taken the inserts off, basically going to wrap them and then adhere them on. We will be filling the gaps with black dyed epoxy and should make it a wrap. I'll just be making sure to be very careful to clean the brass off, and that way it doesn't look any kind of mark. That's what I'll be doing the majority of the day, and then working on customs and taking care of this.
Yes. Awesome. Well, have a great day. We'll see everybody tomorrow. Good morning. It is Saturday, April 24th, and today I will be getting some handles on a couple more knives for stock. This is a boning knife that's going to have this beautiful box elder burl on it, and then a cleaver with some cool micarta. And when I do that, I'm going to prep some handles and liners for future knives. It's just easy to do when you're already making epoxy. So I'm going to plan those, get all that prepped, flattened, etc. So I can get 4 different things glued up, 2 knives and 2 handles with liners. Other than that today, Daniel is out. His eye is still a bit light sensitive, so he's just gonna stay at home in a dark room and hope to heal it up for Tuesday. So hope he gets better soon. Elizabeth is going to check out another farmer's market up in the Woodlands that we got an email from this week, so I'm going to check it out to see if that's where we start our Saturday markets or if it's at another market. Cal's here and he's got some exciting news.
Hello, everyone. So I'm filming a little series on rehandles. And the first example I'm doing is a Tojiro. So this is a Tojiro we have in stock, and they come with this basic resin or G10 rubber, some kind of
Plastic.
Yeah,
Fancy plastic.
and it's basic. It's real basic. So spicing it up with some of our good burl, and
Yeah.
I got to this point pretty quick, and I'm going to keep the same shape of the handle, and it'll be my first little video series on rehandling, and hopefully it's informative.
Awesome.
But I'll be finishing these up today, so.
Sweet. And then you got an axe there.
Yeah, an axe. I got it started yesterday, but I really want to thin out more of this top and bring the grind line a little bit more even and back, and thin out the top just in case they toe in like this. You know, if they hit like that, you still want it to sink, you know, and count as a point. So that'll be my day.
What about that one?
Oh yeah, this is a little refurb. My first bolster.
Metallic bolster.
Metallic bolster, peened on at an angle. This knife has many challenges, and
Like building the entire handle.
like building the entire handle. Yeah.
So this is a partial tang, so literally the steel stops right there, which is why this G10's here. It's something Daniel's done a lot with partial tangs. He's figured out this is Cal's first full one of these by himself. He's done one with Daniel's assistance, and now this is him making sure he remembers all that stuff.
So it's looking a little monstrous right now, but I'm gonna
Frankenstein.
grind it into a D-shaped handle, which has a point kind of on the right side, or a peak where it fits in the crease of your fingers. So people like that when they pinch up, it's there, it's solid. So that'll be a fun challenge, and I'm gonna jump right into this one because I know it's gonna be hard. So
Nice. And Nico doesn't have any new stuff yet today, unless I'm lying. I might be lying. Let me see. He just got a phone call, so he's gonna step out. So, we got the Nakiri in stock yesterday. I don't remember if we filmed it. And we'll be getting more Zwilling. We've got some of the stuff back in stock, some of the black. You can see the artisan is looking a little thin, so hopefully it's an artisan order. We don't know what it is in it yet, so we'll see that when it comes in. And super stoked. See everybody next week. Have a great weekend. Till then.